What's the meaning of B road? B road. B road.
B road. B road. B road is a term used in the UK to describe a secondary road that is typically less busy and has lower speed limits than A roads or motorways. B roads can vary significantly in size and quality, ranging from narrow rural lanes to wider arterial roads that provide access to towns and cities. Despite being less heavily used than major highways, B roads play an important role in connecting communities and providing access to key destinations such as schools, shops, and tourist attractions. As a result, they are often subject to ongoing maintenance and improvement efforts to ensure they remain safe and functional for all users.